Hello, welcome to B1 Reading and Writing class. This is Unit 1, Animals, and we are doing Lesson 3. This video is about reading skill. In this video, we'll try to apply the reading strategies that we learned in the previous lesson. Let's have a look at the strategies again. They are skimming, scanning, making inference, asking questions, using imagery. After reading these strategies, we'll start the lesson. So, let's get started. Reading 2, pages 20 and 21. Losing the battle for survival. Now pause the video and read the first paragraph of the passage carefully. Do not forget to apply the reading strategies, especially skimming and scanning. Okay, I'm sure you have read the first paragraph, which tells us that the number of red squirrels has decreased over the period of time. On the other hand, gray squirrels are now found in a large number. It also gives us the reasons of this change. Now, pause the video again and read the second paragraph. Alright, after reading the second paragraph, you might have noticed that this paragraph describes the main differences between the red and the gray squirrel. Pause the video again and read paragraph number 3. Alright, after reading the third paragraph, you might have come to the conclusion that this paragraph gives us the reasons why the population of these two types of squirrels is changing fast. Now, pause the video once again and read the last paragraph. I think you have read the last paragraph, which discusses the suggestions to control this imbalance. Now that you have read the passage, it's time to do the exercises. Let's move on to the next or the first exercise. Read the summary below and circle the correct word or words to complete it. The article compares the red and the gray squirrel. The gray or red squirrel was introduced to Britain and has become very successful since then. What's your answer? Gray or red? And the correct answer is gray. Now, there are fewer or more than 140,000 native red squirrels left in the wild. What's your answer? Fewer or more? The correct answer is fewer. But the gray is regarded as a pest or pet. The correct answer is pest. The main reason why the red squirrel is less successful is that the gray squirrel is fatter or thinner. What's your answer? The correct answer is fatter. So it is less affected by cold weather. Another reason is that gray squirrels are unable or able to live in cities. The correct answer is able. A further reason may be the parapox virus, which kills or injures red squirrel. The correct answer is kills. Most of few British people support destroying grey squirrels, and because red squirrels are or aren't endangered worldwide. Answer number 7 is few, and the last one, number 8, is aren't. Let's move to the next exercise. Exercise 5. Reading between the lines. Alright, pause the video once again and try to find out the answers to these questions. And when you are done, come back and check your answers. Alright, let's look at question 1. Why do you think grey squirrels are regarded as a pest? Because they damage trees, they eat humans, waste food, and they carry a virus that kills red squirrel. Question 2. Who do you think are the smaller cousins mentioned in the paragraph? What's your answer? Red squirrels or grey squirrels? And the correct answer is red squirrels. Question number 3. Why might some British politicians be in favor of saving the red squirrel? And the answer is perhaps for a nostalgic reason, because they see them as traditionally British. Now, what is nostalgic? Nostalgic is a word from nostalgia. Nostalgia is a feeling when you feel emotional about something that happened in the past. So they feel nostalgic. Question 4. Why do you think there are no grey squirrels on Anglesey and the Isle of Wight? And the answer is because they are islands and the sea acts as a natural defense against alien species. Next exercise. Language development. Academic adjectives 1. Number 1. Match the adjectives 1 to 7 to their definitions A to G. And your adjectives are endangered, aggressive, healthy, cruel, familiar, common, and weak. What's your answer to number 1? Endangered means facing a high risk of extinction. What about aggressive? Any guesses? You're right. Aggressive means behaving in an angry or violent way. Healthy. I think all of us know the meaning of healthy. It means strong and well. You all want to be healthy. Cruel. Cruel is opposite to kind. So if someone is kind, he is not cruel. If someone is cruel, he is not kind. The opposite of kind is unkind. So the correct answer is A, unkind and unpleasant. Familiar. Familiar means, what's your answer? Familiar means easy to recognize. Number 6, common. Common is something which is seen or found in a lot of places. And the last one is weak, means not strong. Comparative adjectives. When we compare things, we have to use the comparative forms of adjectives. Complete the table below using the adjectives in the box. The first one in each category has been done for you as an example. Common, healthy, endangered, small, aggressive, weak, familiar, and healthy. Let's do it. One syllable adjectives, two or more syllable adjectives, and two syllable adjectives ending in Y. Let's do the first one. First one is done for you. The second one, what is your guess? Smaller than, because small has one syllable. What about number 4? More familiar than, like more familiar than, more common than. Another one, more endangered than. Number 6, more aggressive than. And the last, number 8, is healthier than. Thank you very much for now. See you in the next video. Goodbye.